Dear students, I am newly born teacher of Vidya Ashram in your institution. Myself Gopal Roy as the teacher of English. Dear students of class 10, today I will teach you the topic of grammatical factor narration, which is known as reported speech. Here, dear student, here is the topic of narration. Narration, this topic is known as reported speech. Reported speech, this topic contains in your CBSE adding marks of 4 marks. 4 marks, and this question may be based on dialogue wise. So that today I will teach you what is narration. Dear students, narration means that the statement of the subject or doer or narrator. All of you definitely understand here the statement of subject means that जो यहाँ statement देने वाला होता है, where doer means that doer जो किसी कार्य को करने वाला होता है, narrator means that जो किसी भी टॉपिक को, स्टोरी को, नोवेल को जो नरेट करने वाला हो उसे हम नरेटर कहते हैं. सो दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेकेंड स्टेप वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हियर वी एक्सप्रेस आवर व्यू in two ways. First way is that direct speech. Dear students of class 10, you will know what is the meaning of direct speech. According to this, I will write here pratyaksh kathan means that the statement is given by a subject in the reported speech. Face to face. Dear student, second part is that indirect speech. Here is the Hindi meaning of this indirect speech, अप्रत्यक्ष कथन. According to this term, where the speaker means that किसी स्टेटमेंट को कहने वाला या बोलने वाला, where the speaker describes his or her statement a statement indirectly form, indirectly in the reported speech, so that all of you definitely understand what is the meaning of narration and the kinds of direct or indirect speech. All of you definitely understand the meaning of direct and indirect. So I will discuss here interchanging rules of direct speech into indirect speech. Today I will know about what are the general rules of direct speech and indirect speech. So that first of all you know about that direct speech. Here I will give an example. I say to him, you are my brother. Dear student, you will know about what is the name of the first part and what is the name of this second part, which is inverted dialogue in this part. So that I will say you, I say to him, this is known as reporting verb. This is reporting verb, and this inverted part is known as reported speech. Reported speech, here is that according to the general rule, I will change this indirect speech I say to change into tell him, according to being of a statement of this. Here is the full stop, the example of assertive sentence. So I will change here inverted comma into that. After that, according to the condition of SON, I will change here. Here is the second person change according to object. Dear student, here is second person and this is object. So that him is also changed into nominative case, means that he. Reporting verb is also in present tense and reported speech also is in present tense. So that according to the indirect speech, this statement will never change. So dear student, that he is first person change into subject. So that here is no changing of here, he is my brother. The inverted commas is removed out. Here is the solution of direct and indirect speech. So that we can confirm about the general rule rules of direct speech to IDS, indirect speech. According to the first rule here, rule 1 here first. SON, dear student, it is the first rule of direct to indirect speech. 3. We know that subject changes as first person. Here secondly, object changes as second person. Dear student, no changes. Here is that third person, no changes. Next topic. Dear student, I will know that according to the cases, there are the 3 types of cases. There are 3 types of cases. First, NC means that nominative case. Second, PC, possessive case. Third, OC, objective case. Objective case, all of you know that very well. What is the nominative case, possessive case and objective case? Here I will confirm here nominative case, possessive case and objective case. So that take an example here. I is nominative case, PC my, and objective case me or mine. Dear student, you second person, here is that you, and here yours, you. Here is that they, their, here is that theirs or them. There, he, his, him. Here she, her, hers, her. It is used for non-living things, so that it is its and this it. So that all of you know that SON, first person changing as subject, second person changing at object, and third person no changing. So that secondly, I will give you example here. DS direct speech. You said to me, I gave this topic to teach you. Dear student, any of you, can you change this direct speech into indirect speech? Any of you? If you don't know, I will teach you how can it change? This is indirect speech. Dear student, the first part is known as reporting verb. Reporting verb is changed into you. Said to change into told. And this is me. Inverted commas being changed into full stop assertive sentence. Here I will change that. First person, according to this rule, I in first person, so that first person change into subject. Dear student, this is subject and this is subject. First person change into subject. Here is that subject. Here is you, so that there is no changing here. You. All of you know that according to tense, what type of tense here? All of you know that. Any of you don't know. So that I will teach you here simple past tense, SPT, simple past tense. All of you know that simple past change into, here is past perfect tense, PPT. So that, dear student, subject plus verb 2 plus object. So I will change you subject plus head plus verb third plus object. So all of you added here such type of topic. You had, give, given. So that this change into that topic. To teach second person object. So that object here me, so that topic to teach me. Inverted commas, remove out and also put it there, full stop. So here is the first rule of, general rule of SON. So that next day I will teach you the 6 rules of containing with general rule according to the reported speech. Well done. Thanks, my dear.